We've got the split test, and basically we're splitting traffic here. On one page, let's say you have two identical or two similar pages with only one variable that is changing. So on one page we've got variation A, on the second we've got variation B. We send 50% of the visitors to page A, we send the other 50% to page B, and then we compare the results. In this case, page B or variation A, or the page with variation A, got the higher conversion rate. That's another example from United Wardrobe. As we can see in their checkout option or page, we could see that they changed the call to action from one to the other, and they saw that on one page they were able to get a 3.32% CTR uplift, click-through rate uplift, just by changing one variation, which was the call to action buttons over there. It's really important to remember that in this specific test, one variation needs to be changed, not many.